Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drive Honda Insight. Begin by adjusting seat and mirrors, then start the car and study the hybrid gauge and EV mode. Practice smooth throttle and gentle braking to maximize fuel efficiency. Use Econ for relaxed driving and EV for short electric-only moves when available. Keep an eye on regenerative braking feedback and learn when to coast for the best economy. Start with gentle throttle inputs and aim for steady speeds to let the hybrid system operate efficiently. Shift awareness to regenerative braking so you can recapture energy by easing off the accelerator before braking. Use the EV button for short, low-speed trips when available to reduce fuel use. Stay relaxed, keep a safe following distance, and practice gradual acceleration and deceleration to make the Insight feel balanced and calm on every drive. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more car tips and friendly walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long driving days and road trip feet. I use them and they make seat time comfier and a bit more enjoyable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For advanced efficiency, plan routes that avoid heavy stop-and-go traffic so the hybrid system can work optimally. Combine Econ mode with light climate settings to extend electric assist and reduce engine load. Use EV mode for brief, low-speed maneuvers where battery power is sufficient. Regular maintenance like tire pressure checks and battery health monitoring will keep the Insight performing well and return the best possible miles per gallon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.